new chapter name is 9 multiplication of numbers. 9 multiplication of numbers. Dear children, before this chapter, all of you learn tables from 2 to 9. Already I gave homework from our school app. You write the table from 2 to 9 3 times. Please add this table for learning multiplication. Without table, we can't do this problem from multiplication of number. First, we learn definition. First one is multiplication is the process of adding equal sets together. Dear children, our first definition is multiplication is the process of adding equal sets together. Now example, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Here 5 repeated, 1, 2, 3. 5 repeated 3 times. We can write 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. We can read as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Our first definition is multiplication is the process of adding equal sets together. Example, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Here 5 repeated 3 times. 3 5s are 15. Now we can read as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. This is the first definition. Now second definition. Second definition. Cross. It is called cross. Bracket. Cross. Cross is the symbol of multiplication. Second definition is Cross is the symbol of multiplication. Now, third definition is repeated addition. Repeated addition. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here, how many times 3 repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 repeated 6 times. You can write 6 times of 3. 6 3s are 18. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. We can read as 6 times of 6 times 3 is 18. A short definition is repeated addition is called multiplication. Okay, I gave example also. Now fourth definition is when we multiply two numbers the answer we get is called product. When we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called product. Example, 4 in 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Here 4 is called multiplicand. 4 is called multiplicand. Multiplicand. 2 is called multiplier. Two is called multiplier. And 8 is called product. 8 is called product. Means answer. Multiplicand, multiplier, and product. 4 times of 2. Sometimes this cross symbol is called into. into cross symbol also called as into, into, into. Now fifth definition. When we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Now examples are 5 into 0, 5 times of 0, 0. 8 times of 0, 8 into 0, 0. Now 6 times of 0, 6 into 0, 0. 0 times of 7, 0 into 7, 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Now, sixth definition. Sixth definition. When we multiply any number by 1, we get same number. When we multiply any number by 1, we get same number. Example, 9 ones are 9, or 9 into 1, 9. 4 ones are 4, 4 into 1, 4. 1 threes are 3, 1 into 3, 3. 1 twos are 2, 1 into 2, 2. These are examples for sixth definition. Okay, children, please write these definitions and read these definitions. Now, you have to read tables also from 2 to 9. Without this table, you can't do multiplication in this chapter. Tables are very, very important in this chapter. You learn tables from 2 to 9. Now, children, we are going to solve textbook problem. Dear children, all of you open math textbook, page number 77. Page number 77. Now, textbook problem from page number 77. Page number 77. Question number 1. Look at the pictures of fans. Look at the pictures of fans. Count the wings. Say how many they are. Look at the picture of fans. Count the wings. Say how many they are. Yes, multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. In first box, only one fan is there. One fan has 3 wings. One fan has 3 wings. Here 3 repeated only one time. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Now in second box, there are 2 fans. In second box, there are 2 fans. 2 fans have in one fan 3 wings. In second fan, more 3 wings. 3 plus 3, 6 wings. Here 3 repeated 2 times. 3 repeated 2 times. 2 into 3. 2 3 just 6. In first box, only one fan is there. One fan has 3 wings. Here 3 repeated only one time. 1 3 is 3. In second box, there are 2 fans. 2 fans have 3 wings plus 3 wings. 3 plus 3, 6. Here 3 repeated 2 times. 2 3 just 6. Now in third box, there are 3 fans. 1 2 3 wings. 1 2 3 wings. 1 2 3 wings. 3 fans have 3 fans have each fan have 3 wings. Each fan has 3 wings. 3 fans have 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Here 3 repeated 3 times. 3 3s are 3 repeated 3 times. 3 into 3 or 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. We have finished first box, second box and third box from page number 77, question number 1. Now we see fourth box and fifth box. Now You are in fourth box. In fourth box, there are 4 fans. First fan, 3 wings. Second fan, more 3 wings. Third fan, 3 wings. And fourth fan, 3 wings. Here number of fans are 4. 4 fans. 4 fans have, each fan has 3 wings. 4 fans. Here 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Here 3 repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 repeated 4 times. 4 times of 3 are 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Now final box. In that final box, there are 5 fans. How many fans are there? 5 fans. 1 fan, 2 fans, 3 fans, 4 fans, and 5 fans. In last box, there are 5 fans. Each fan has 3 wings. Here 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. Here also 3 wings. 5 fans have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Repeated addition is also called multiplication. Here 3 repeated 5 times. 5 times of 3 are 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. 5 3s are 15. This is the question number 1, page number 77. We have finished. How many wings are there in 5 fans? From the 5 fans, how many wings are there? 5 3s are 15. Now we write product from this table. From this problem, we write a table. Fans, wings, total. 1 fan, 3 wings. 1 3s are 3. 2 fans, 3 wings. 2 3s are 6 wings. Total wings are 6. 3 fans, 3 wings. Total wings are 3 3s are 9. 4 fans, 3 wings. 4 3s are 12. Total wings in 4 fans are 12. 5 fans, each fan has 3 wings. 5 threes are 15. Total wings in 5 fans are 15. Here, the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are called the product. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are called the product. Yes, these are called products. Yes, each fan has 3 wings. 1 fan, 3 wings. Number of wings are 3. 1 threes are 3. 2 fans, 3 wings. 2 threes are 6. Total wings are 6. 3 fans, 3 wings. 3 threes are 9. Total wings are 9. 4 fans, 3 wings. 4 threes are 12. Total wings are 12. 5 fans, 3 wings. 5 threes are 15. Total wings are 15. Here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are called the products. This is the question number 1. Dear students, please learn tables from 2 to 9 before this chapter. Beginning of this chapter, please read and by these tables. Without these tables, we can't do any multiplication in this chapter. And I gave homework also before day, that is yesterday. Write the tables from 2 to 9 3 times, and along with these tables, you read definitions. Beginning of this lesson, what I wrote definition on our digital board. Please read definition. Don't worry, children. I will send these notes our school app. From the school app, you download the notes and write these notes in your running chapter. That is class running notes. That is classwork. Okay, children. In our next class, we see more problems from our textbook. Okay, children. Goodbye to everyone.